Hello! Today we're going to make this adorable card using the Little Angels stamp set and matching dies from Pink and Main. I'm Donna and I hope you enjoy making along with me today. Let's start with the background. To make the background today, I've used distress inks in Speckled Egg, Faded Jeans, Seedless Preserves and Black Soot. I'm using a new mini ergonomic blending brush from Pink and Main that's just arrived, and I'm also trying out today their cleaning system, which consists of that sort of pink tray that you see, which is called their brush scrubber, and the cleaning solution, which is called Squeaky Clean Brush Cleaner, and it smells really good. I've sprayed a little bit of the cleaner into the pink tray, and between colours I'm giving the blending brush a little bit of a rub in the tray, and then I'm just wiping it off on a microfiber cloth that you can see there at the bottom of the screen. And you can see that I was able to move so easily initially up from light to darker, but then even from black soot straight back to the speckled egg. It came out perfectly clean. I was really impressed actually. Once the background's blended, I'm going to spatter it first of all with just clean water, and then just sop that up with some paper towel so that I'm left with some pretty spatters. And then for a little bit more spatter and a bit of shine, I've mixed some perfect pearls with a little bit of water, and I'm spattering that down with a paintbrush. You might notice every now and again that the footage is a little bit shaky. I've gone to all the trouble to get a really stable camera set up, only to have the apartment buildings next door being demolished, and we are just shaking from morning to night. I'm able to wait to do my voiceovers until the evening, but I really need to film while there's daylight, which means there's shaking, so I apologise for that. And now onto the colouring. There are so many cute angels in this stamp set, but I've chosen the little girl with the trumpet, and I'm going to colour her using mainly blues and golds, and I've listed all the colours on the screen that I've used. I've sped this section up considerably so you don't have to sit and watch me colouring in for too long. If you want to see it slower, then feel free to click on the three little dots, usually at the top of the screen, and then you can choose your own speed and choose to slow it back down again. If you want to skip it altogether, then feel free to jump forward a couple of minutes to the construction of the card. And while I'm colouring, I'll leave you with some music from my favourite composer. making a little trail of stars behind the angel, and also adding the Jesus star in the right hand side of the page, the star that was above the manger. Once these are all stamped, I'm heat embossing them with white. I'm going to trim the panel down just a little so that it will leave a little border on the blue background that I've chosen, and then it's simply a matter of constructing the card. I'll lay all of the elements down flat except for the angel, which I'll pop up with a little bit of foam tape. Once I've got my panel together, I'm just going to pop it onto a white top folding card base, and my card's finished. I'm going to leave you with some close-up pictures of the card, which I hope you enjoy. If you'd like to hear more, then please feel free to press subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, then click on the like button. I'll be back soon with more cards.